Let's now shift focus to the United States. The US continues to be the worst affected country in the world from this pandemic, with cases now nearing 1.5 million, with over 90,000 deaths due to COVID-19. But even during this crisis, there is now a divide between the White House and the country's top health agency. The White House has now rebuked the CDC, saying that it let the country down. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, that is the CDC, has been under intense scrutiny in the last few weeks for producing a faulty test, which in turn delayed the US response to COVID-19. The White House trade advisor, Peter Navarro, even went ahead to say that the faulty test kit set the country back by weeks. More importantly, these errors were not even corrected till late February. The FDA also criticized the CDC for not even following its own protocols in manufacturing COVID-19 tests. And on March 6th, when US President Trump toured the CDC headquarters, he said that more than 4 million test kits will be available within a week. More than 2 months later, only 12 million Americans have been tested, which is less than 4% of the population. This places the United States far behind countries like Russia, Italy and Spain on the testing scale. Meanwhile, the state of New York is looking to ramp up testing for everyone in the state. On your screens right now is New York's Governor Andrew Cuomo taking a live virus test to encourage more widespread testing. The state will test anyone showing flu symptoms as well as everyone who will be returning to work as the state looks at reopening.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's it. Not only do we have a large capacity to process the tests, we also have put together a network of testing sites all across the state. And we have a new agreement with CVS, which has a tremendous network across this state, where they're going to be bringing on testing capacity. So we thank them very much for that. But we have now 700 testing sites.
As different states across the U.S. reopen, social distancing norms have gone for a toss. New York City residents were seen flouting restrictions as large crowds gathered in different bars and restaurants in Manhattan. In New Jersey, many families were seen flocking on beaches as soon as the state eased its stay-at-home orders.